Welcome to Burns Hustles. Today, we will review some of the popular investing apps. Robinhood offers commission-free trading and a user-friendly interface. You can also trade fractional shares and options. Take note of any unique features or drawbacks. Trade provides a comprehensive platform with research tools and educational resources. It offers various trading options, fees, and account types. Advanced traders may find noteworthy features. Ameritrade offers extensive research and analysis tools. It has different account types, including retirement accounts. Active traders can benefit from the Thinkorswim platform. Acorns allows you to invest spare change. It offers automatic roundup investing and has fees and account types. Betterment provides a robo-advisory service and automated portfolio management. It focuses on goal-based investing and tax optimization. Consider any account minimums and fees. M1 Finance introduces the PI investing concept and customizable portfolios. It offers automated rebalancing and dynamic portfolio allocation. Take note of any fees and borrowing options. Personal Capital emphasizes holistic financial planning and wealth management. It provides tools to track and analyze all your financial accounts. Consider any account minimums and fees. Stash offers thematic portfolios and fractional shares. It provides educational content and goal-based saving features. Be aware of the subscription fees. Wealthfront offers a robo-advisory service, tax loss harvesting, and risk management. It provides diversified and low-cost ETF portfolios. Consider any fees and account minimums. Stock market simulators like Investopedia's Stock Simulator or Wall Street Survivor have educational value. They allow users to practice investing without risking real money. In summary, each investment app and tool has its own key features and benefits. Consider your own investment goals and preferences when choosing the right tool for you. Carefully review fees, account types, and additional services provided by each platform. Remember to keep the review up to date as app features and fees can change over time. And disclose any potential conflicts of interest if you have affiliate links or relationships with the platforms you're reviewing.